Automotive MULN stock video here today. Mullen sitting at 12 cents at the time of this video, and the trading volume continues to be extremely high. Currently the most heavily traded stock in the market, 115 million in trading volume over today's trading day. Still almost about midday through the trading day at the time of this video. Again, just want to reiterate, I'm not recommending buying Mullen, not even recommending putting Mullen on your watch list. I do not have a position in Mullen, and I am not bullish on Mullen. I want to reiterate that. I think people kind of get it twisted when I make these videos here. Not that a ton of people even watch these videos, but I just do want to reiterate that I'm not over here talking about being bullish on Mullen currently. But over the past week or so, I mean, we're on currently Wednesday. I would say over the past Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, over the last 3 days, we have seen and heard some just like kind of positive news coming from Mullen. Now, it hasn't affected the price anyway positively. We're sitting at 12 cents at the time of this video, and if we kind of take a look over the last 5 days, it's not like there's been any sort of positive price action. I mean, it opened up on the week. It opened up at what did it open up? What is today? It opened up on at 13 cents, and it did pump up a little bit, and it was at 14 cents sometime yesterday in the morning hours of the market, and it's kind of just fallen flat again. So it hasn't had any real positive price action. Obviously, the trading volume continues to be extremely high here, but more good news, in my opinion. It's not like terrific, fantastic, amazing news, but it is good news, right? As opposed to bad news, it is catalyst, small catalyst here, newsworthy catalysts that are coming out here in regards to Mullen. First, I wanted to share this tweet here, and I guess there was a this is 3 weeks ago, but Financial Journey on YouTube, shout out to Financial Journey, by the way, his YouTube channel. He interviewed David Mullen here, or sorry, David Mickery, the Mullen CEO, and I guess we were hoping they wouldn't give us another 100 million. Obviously, they got to convert out their warrants. Obviously, converting warrants dilutes the stock. I guess this is a quote. Let's actually just, I don't want to play the clip necessarily. I would recommend go check out Financial Journey's YouTube channel here. But David Mickery, you guys, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about him specifically. But I wanted to go over a couple things here. One you can see here, Mullen announced a new pilot program. Mullen Automotive has entered a pilot program with the Shoshone Native American tribe. The tribe will pilot Mullen's one and campus vehicles. Mullen Automotive stock focused on EV company announced that it has entered a pilot program for its Mullen 1 Class 1 EV cargo vans and Mullen campus delivery utility vehicles with the Shoshone Native American tribe of Northern California and Nevada. The vehicles will be piloted at Nations Distribution, located on the Harrah's, Northern California resort and casino property. I guess this is a quote or an excerpt from the CEO and president of the Shoshone tribe. Our tribe's vision is to transition to electric power vehicles and sustain green initiatives in line with the National EV Initiative for Tribal Nations. I really didn't know this was a thing, but I guess there is a national EV initiative for tribal nations across the country here, and this kind of goes really well with that, especially Mullen being so, I don't want to say small of a company, because, I mean, they're not like a small company, but being a newer EV company here in the United States, 100% manufactured in the U.S. I think this is very interesting and very positive, small but positive here for Mullen Automotive. And then also somewhat bigger news here is that Mullen Automotive stock rallies after majority-owned Bollinger Motors receives $3 million grant from the state of Michigan. I'm actually read this on the Yahoo Finance article specifically. So here we go. Mullen, emerging EV manufacturer, announced today that Bollinger Motors received final approval from the state of Michigan for a $3 million grant aimed at promoting job creation in the state. In a unanimous decision, the Michigan Strategic Fund Board approved the incentive for the Michigan Business Development Program. Bollinger Motors is poised for growth, and we're proud and focused on expanding our company's operations as we start of production. I appreciate Michigan's faith in our plan, and our product has electrified America's fleets. So this is interesting. Obviously, Mullen owns, I believe, I want to say majority owned now of Bollinger Motors. Yeah, you can see here the company anticipates deliveries of the first vehicle, the Bollinger B4 chassis cab, to begin in July of 2024, and expected to be eligible nationwide for a federal purchasing incentive of 30% of the total cost of the vehicle, up to $40,000 through the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. So this is interesting. Obviously, Bollinger Motors, being a subsidiary of Mullen Automotive, I think this is some good news as well. And it kind of goes with the pattern as we have been seeing this kind of good news for Mullen over the last 4 or 5 days now. Obviously, it's not reflecting the price, but again, good news is good news, and sometimes no news is good news as well. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen currently. Again, I just want to reiterate, I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish either. I'm just giving you guys information and news on this stock specifically. Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.